The Subaru 2.5L turbo engine is notorious for head gasket failures, leading to costly repairs that impact owners' finances and erode their trust in the brand. This persistent issue ignites debates among drivers. Similarly, BMW's N63 4.4L V8 engine experiences significant oil consumption problems and timing chain failures. These issues lead to pricey repairs and leave many luxury car owners feeling disappointed. In contrast, Mazda's 1.3L rotary engine showcases a unique design but suffers from apex seal problems that result in high oil consumption and expensive repairs. This predicament prompts some enthusiasts to consider engine replacements. Turning to Toyota, the head gasket failures in their engines also lead to costly repairs and legal disputes, ultimately affecting customer trust and diminishing the brand's reliability in the automotive market. Additionally, Cadillac's V8 engine faced challenges with its ambitious design, leading to inconsistent performance. This has caused drivers to favor more traditional engines, leading to a decline in the brand's reputation. Moreover, GM's Quad 4 engine has been plagued with reliability issues, including head gasket failures and excessive oil consumption. These problems have triggered numerous complaints and lawsuits, undermining their market position. Another concern arises with the exhaust gas recirculation system, which frequently jams with soot and oil. This not only causes rough idling but also decreases fuel efficiency, compelling drivers to perform regular cleanings. In addition, the diesel particulate filter can become clogged if the engine fails to reach sufficient temperatures. This may result in repeated regeneration cycles that often do not solve the underlying issue. Furthermore, reports of cracks in the engine bay, particularly from metal fatigue around heavy accessories, raise serious safety concerns that can significantly affect vehicle handling. The Ford 1.6L EcoBoost engine, prevalent in models like the Focus and Escape, faces challenges such as injector seal failures that can contaminate the oil system, potentially leading to severe damage to the turbo. Moreover, coolant intrusion issues in the EcoBoost engine frequently result in overheating and extensive engine damage, with repair costs often surpassing $8,000. Many owners express frustration with Ford's lack of resolution for these design flaws. On the other hand, the Pontiac 2.5L Iron Duke engine has also suffered from persistent overheating and oil leaks, leading to hefty repair bills and a marked decline in its reputation, prompting some owners to pursue legal actions against GM. Besides that, the Fiat 1.9 JTD diesel engine, initially acclaimed for its performance, soon gained notoriety for clogged injectors and turbocharger problems. These issues resulted in increased fuel consumption and a notable power loss, much to the dismay of drivers. Moreover, the Triumph Stag V8, designed as a luxury grand tourer, was compromised by significant cooling system flaws and design defects. These issues led to frequent breakdowns and costly repairs, severely damaging its reputation. Hyundai's 2.0L engine also encounters reliability dilemmas, particularly with oil flow problems that could lead to catastrophic engine failures. Many owners report excessive oil consumption, escalating concerns as the engine ages. In addition, Renault's DCI engine, while efficient, faces challenges such as clogged diesel particulate filters and turbocharger failures, negatively affecting overall reliability and performance. Likewise, the Ford 5.4L Triton V8 engine is infamous for spark plug issues and oil consumption. This causes significant repair expenses and frustration among its owners. Ultimately, drivers are increasingly choosing to abandon vehicles plagued by ongoing engine issues and the burden of costly repairs. This trend highlights the necessity of thorough research before making a purchase.